Hi guys, this is Diane Hogarth here, millionaire mom, helping you at home make money online. Okay, do you want to make money doing absolutely nothing? Well, maybe you might have to download an app and then do something that you normally do anyway. So does that sound like a plan? This is worldwide, guys. Worldwide. Let me show you what I mean by worldwide. This one app is the most comprehensive system I've ever seen. If you click on this little arrow here and scroll down, look how many countries are on there. There's Argentina, Australia, Bangladesh, Barbados, Bermuda. There's obviously the UK is right at the bottom. Canada. All the countries that are never included in any of these things are included in this one. France, Gambia, India, Guatemala, Haiti, Hong Kong, Italy, Jamaica, Japan. The list is endless. Okay, all you have to do is download an app from the Apple Store or Google Play. So you can do this from the comfort of your phone, guys. Okay, from your phone. You can even earn money. Look, $600 a year. $600 a year. That would help you quite a lot, wouldn't it? So you can earn rewards while you're doing something else. This is what you do. All you have to do, and you earn it by getting points, by listening to your favorite music, guys. You can actually listen to it all the time. You can request a song and you can download it. You can do anything you like with it. But the more you listen to, the more points you get. And you guessed it, the more money. Anyway, tell me which countries you're from, where you're from. If you're enjoying this, hit the like button, hit the notifications button so I can keep finding things for you to do worldwide. Okay, and I'll keep trying to find you things like this that you can do from your phone. You can even, there's a little girl here that's jogging somewhere. You can earn money while you're jogging. Come on, guys. This is quite a good app, actually. Anyway, so obviously this is not going to earn you $1 million. This is not going to make you a full-time income. If you want to stop the 9 to 5, if you want to stop going in that traffic jam and getting harassed by your boss, and if you want a door of opportunity to open for you, if you want time to invest in yourself, time to invest in your business, click the link below and start earning passive income. If you want to earn full-time income online, you have to click the link below, because that is the key to passive income. As you know, passive income is when people pay you monthly and you've only done it once. So click the button below, click the notifications button, hit the like button, tell me where you're from, and just say hi. And if you've got any requests, any questions about anything online, just ask me below, because I love making these videos. Let's have a conversation. Okay, guys, click the link below for your full-time income, and I'll see you on the next video.